Hi, welcome to GarageDoorWeatherSeal.com. This is a brief video showing you a little closer view of our one of our aluminum bottom retainers. This particular retainer measures 3 inches on the leg by 2 inches inside. Door mounts in between. These type of retainers are typically used for on a door that has a big gap underneath it where the floor falls off on one side or another. You can raise this up or down on the bottom of the door and mount it so that you bring it down so where the weather seal will meet the floor. These are sold in 55-inch lengths, and we have these in various different sizes to accommodate any type of situation you may have. These can also be mounted in a vertical position on sliding doors. They're great for that. These accept a 1/4-inch T-style weather seal, which is the most common sized. This is a U-shaped weather seal, 1/4 inch across on the T, slides right in the channel, and there you go. Gives you a nice seal. Thanks a lot.